Good morning friend, welcome to Tech Point Solutions. My name is Ganesh. This channel is created to provide you SQL Server technical interview questions based on writing logical and tricky SQL queries, theoretical questions and scenario based questions. This channel is also intended for freshers and experienced candidates. So if you are new to this channel, please watch the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, share, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. In this video tutorial, we will see how to write SQL queries based on employee manager and hierarchy, such as write a query to find manager name of the employee, write a query to find hierarchy level of all employees. To understand in details, let's consider sample example. Consider that we have employee hierarchy table, and the table has columns employee ID, employee name and manager ID. Manager ID is also an employee that indicates manager of that employee. Look at the table employee ID 1. His manager ID is null because he is the top level employee and does not report to anyone. Similarly, employee ID 2, his manager ID 3, and that means employee ID 2 reports to employee ID 3, that is Ken John. And likewise, all other records shows the same relationship, and we have to write a query to generate output in this format: employee ID, employee name and manager name. Now let's understand the hierarchy of the employee. Who reports to whom? James McNeil is the top level employee. Ken John and Andy John reports to James McNeil. Mike Jennings reports to Ken. Sam Kelly reports to Andy. Likewise, this employee reports to their top level employees. So let's go to SSMS and write a query to find employee name and their manager name using the same table. So let me show you the table first. Select star from employee hierarchy, press F5. This is what our data. And now we will perform here save join. That means we will join with the same table based on this manager ID. That means employee ID 2, his manager ID 3, that means 3 is the Ken John. So we will join based on this manager ID and employee ID. So let's write query. Let me select employee ID first, e dot employee name, and then inner join employee hierarchy. Let's give this name as M for manager. M dot employee ID is equal to E dot manager ID, and let's get M dot here employee name means this is the manager name because we are joined based on employee ID and manager ID. Press F5 and we have got employee name and their manager name, but we do not see the employee ID 1 because he is the top level employee. Look at the column employee ID 1, their manager ID null, that is why we are not getting the result set here. So we will perform here left join and we will get all the employee name, and you see here manager name is null. So whenever we have a null, I want to put some default values, that is null, and I want to see this as CEO and founder, and let me take this down, press F5. Here we got employee name and their manager name. So this is how you write a query to find employee name and their manager name. Let's move to the next query. Consider the same table employee hierarchy. We want to find hierarchy level of all employees, and we have to generate employee level in this format, like employee ID, employee name, manager name and employee level. Look at the hierarchy. James McNeil is a top level employee, so he is at level 1. Ken John Andy John reports to James McNeil, so he is at level 2. Likewise, level 3, level 4, and whatever the number of hierarchy is made, accordingly we have to generate the levels. So let's go to SSMS and write the query. Now in this case, our query is almost the same that we have used to get manager name. We will use here recursive city to get the employee level. So let me show you. And now first we will get top level employee, and top level employee is a, let me show you, where manager ID is null. This is what our top level employee, and let me show you what we are going to do in CTE. First we will get top level employee, that is employee ID 1, and inside the recursive city we will check how many employees work under this employee ID 1. So there are 2 employees, employee ID 3 and 4 work under employee ID 1. So this is what we are going to do inside a city. Let me show you how. So let me take this under first with CTE as e dot employee ID, e dot employee name, and this is the top level employee. So we will put CEO and founder as manager name, and now union all. Now we are going to do the same here. So let me copy this and put here. There is a small change here. We will just take inner join here, and instead of employee hierarchy we will take CTE. That's what we are going to do, and I do not want this case because we are performing inner join here, so don't need to, sorry, so this should be M here. Okay, so let me show you the result set first. Select star from CTE, type don't match between the anchor and in manager name. Okay, so whenever you put some hardcode value, you have to cast to as varchar okay, press F5. You see, using this way we also got employee name and their manager name. Now to get employee level, we will just as a value as employee level. So because this is the top level employee, so we will start with employee level 1, and in this case here we will just increment the employee level by 1. So employee level plus 1, let me take this inside a bracket, and as employee level, and let me this order by employee level, press F5, and you see the result here. Employee name, manager name, this is the employee level 1. So employee level 2 are Ken and Andy. Look at the hierarchy. Employee level 3, Mike Jennings and Sam Kelly. Yes, we have Mike and Sam Kelly. And employee name Steve and John are at the 4 level. Look at the hierarchy. Steve Thorne and John Watson, they are at the level 4. So this way you can write the query to find hierarchy level of all the employees. Thank you very much. If you like the video, then write your feedback in the comment box. Hit the like button, share and press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, and we will see you in the next video.